Alright guys, welcome to my 3,000 subscriber setup tour. Now I know this is a little delayed, but here we are. So to start, on the left side here we have an LED light, which I think is pretty sick. I got this for around 30 bucks on Amazon. Very good investment. We also have another one over here, which I use. That is my whiteboard I use for like productivity and stuff. But yeah, that's another LED planet light. I got the LED strips up top. They go around my room. But to start, we'll take a look over here. We got, let's start with the headset. The headset, which is the Arctic Steel Series 5. I've had this for a while. I really like it. Very quality headset. Definitely recommend if you're looking for a good gaming headset. It's valued at around 130 bucks. Next, we have the keyboard, which as you guys can hear, nothing fancy, just a nice like clicky clacky keyboard. Very quality. I like that a lot. I like that having a number pad. I don't know, some of you guys are weird. You guys like the mini keyboards, but the problem with the mini keyboards is that you don't get the number pad. You don't get these nice little arrow keys. But that's just me. I mean, I might switch to a mini because they look cooler, but we'll see. This value is at around 130 bucks as well. So about 260-ish from that. This mouse, I got this on the Amazon Prime deal, which was actually 60 bucks total. Like it values at $60. But I got this for around 30 bucks. It's got some nice LEDs on the bottom. It's kind of clicky. And you got like a little DPI sensor. I'm not going to go too in detail with it, but it's a pretty nice mouse. I like it a lot. We have, so this value is at around 60 bucks. Right here we have the limited edition average gauge pop socket. There we go, focusing. This thing, there is one of a kind. You'll never see another one like this. I made this when I had like 300 subs. But yeah, I normally just leave that right there as a little like personality touch. Next, we're gonna look at the mic. Now this is the Razer Siren X2 or something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, this values at around, the mic itself without the arm and the little sock up here, values at around $110, $120. Now the mic arm itself I got for around 30 bucks, as well as this little sock that goes over the top, came with it. Very good investment. Without this little boom arm, I had the mic just sitting like right here on my desk. Terrible idea. Do not ever do that. Just invest in the boom arm. But yeah, over here we have this little plant. I mean, I like it. I mean, it makes the setup look a little cleaner. Over here we have some stickers. We got the Razer sticker, the Van sticker. You'll never see my shoe collection. If we hit 60 likes, I will show you my shoe collection. But yeah, over here we also have a couple more stickers. We got a fishing sticker I got from some mystery tackle box thing. Ghost sticker from shoe store. The PC itself, when I first got this, valued at around $1,800, which is pretty pricey. I could probably sell it now for around $1,200 because it has a 1070 as well as an i7 inside of it. Now on top we have this little USB. I use this for storing video footage. It's very useful when you record a lot. So yeah, I use that a lot. But yeah, PC, I love it. I wish I had a better case, and I might invest in that. I might do like another setup tour or whatever, where we do like upgrading to the setup. This monitor right here cost around $220, I believe, when I first got it. It is 144 Hertz, made by Dell. I love Dell, they make great monitors. The difference between this one and this one is that this one's just a larger display, obviously, but this one does have a bit better color grading to it. This one's a bit lighter, as you can see. This one's a bit lighter color grading. I mean, they both look incredible. I love them both. This one's 144 Hertz, this one's 144 Hertz. This one was actually more expensive because of the color contrast or whatever, but it's actually smaller. I mean, I love this monitor just for like streaming. I'll throw my Streamlabs or in Google or whatever to show the stream. Very useful to have two for a streamer. I want to maybe one day get three just to have Discord here, streams here, which would be, I mean, obviously over the top, but like, you know. Next, we have this little LED clock right here. This valued around like 30 bucks or so. I mean, I like it just because it shows me the time. It's pretty clean. I like it there. I might get something here. Normally I leave like my notebooks or stuff here when I write video ideas. But yeah, that is my 3,000 subscriber setup tour. This is what it looks like right now. I definitely want to get some upgrades. Before I end this or whatever, I'm going to show you my chair. It's kind of a crappy chair. I'm not really a big fan. Speaking of fan, look at that little guy right there. This thing saves my life. That was around like 30 bucks. I use it like every day. I think, yeah, it was like 100 bucks. The desk itself was all, don't look at my cable management. Oh my God, I gotta fix that. I will fix it. If I see comments saying, Gabe, your cable management is horrible, I will never do another setup tour. Just kidding, I'll obviously do another one. You guys don't hurt my feelings. The desk itself, about $160, I believe. Very good investment. I love this desk. It's a nice, just solid white. The only problem I have with a white desk though, is I will say they get dirty very easy. So just remember that. If you ever buy a white desk, remember, they just randomly get dirty. I don't know why, but they do. But yeah, that is going to be it for my 3,000 subscriber setup tour. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you did, be sure to smash the like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Let me know what you think of the setup. And maybe I'll do more setup tours, upgrades, technology stuff in the future. Let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.